Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. In this exploration, we'll uncover the mysteries of the universe and the subtle whispers it sends to guide us on our path to love and fulfillment. Soulmates are not mere chance encounters. They are reflections of our own essence, beckoning us towards growth and expansion. And how does the universe speak to us, you may wonder? Through the language of signs and synchronicities, it gently nudges us in the direction of our deepest desires. It speaks through the song of a bird, the rustle of leaves, and the serendipitous encounters that leave us in awe. So, as we journey together, let us open our hearts to the infinite abundance of the universe, trusting in its wisdom and guidance. Are you ready to embrace the signs that someone is manifesting you into their life? Are you open to receiving the love and connection that awaits you? Join me as we dive deep into the mystical world of soulmate connections and uncover the divine messages that the universe has in store for us. Trusting our intuition is paramount in recognizing the subtle yet powerful signs that lead us to our soulmate. Our intuition serves as a compass, guiding us along the path of our highest destiny. When we learn to tune in and listen to that inner voice, we open ourselves up to a world of synchronicity and serendipity. Consider the story of Sarah, a woman who found herself at a crossroads in her life. Despite societal pressures and well-meaning advice from friends and family, Sarah felt a deep sense of knowing that there was someone out there meant just for her. She couldn't explain it, but she trusted her intuition and followed its guidance. One day, while attending a workshop on positive thinking and spiritual growth, Sarah felt a magnetic pull towards a stranger in the room. Their eyes met across the crowded space, and in that moment, she knew that their connection was no coincidence. It was as if the universe had conspired to bring them together. As they struck up a conversation, Sarah felt an instant rapport with this person, as if they had known each other for lifetimes. They laughed, they shared stories, and with each passing moment, Sarah felt her intuition whispering that this was the beginning of something extraordinary. And she was right. Over time, Sarah and this stranger grew closer, their bond deepening with each passing day. They discovered shared dreams, synchronicities, and an unspoken understanding that transcended words. It was as if they had been searching for each other all along, guided by the invisible hand of fate. Through trusting her intuition, Sarah was able to recognize the signs that led her to her soulmate. She learned to quiet the noise of doubt and fear, and instead, she listened to the wisdom of her heart. And in doing so, she found not only a partner, but a kindred spirit who illuminated her path with love and light. The magnetic pull that draws soulmates together is a phenomenon that transcends the limitations of time and space, weaving a tapestry of connection that defies logic and reason. Have you ever experienced a moment when you met someone and felt an inexplicable attraction, as if you were being pulled towards them by an unseen force? Perhaps you found yourself drawn to their energy, their presence, or even their scent in a way that defied explanation. Consider the story of James and Lily, two strangers who met by chance at a crowded cafe. From the moment their eyes met across the room, they felt a magnetic pull towards each other that was impossible to ignore. It was as if the universe had conspired to bring them together, weaving a web of connection that stretched across time and space. As they struck up a conversation, James and Lily found themselves effortlessly drawn into each other's orbit, their chemistry palpable to anyone who witnessed it. They laughed, they talked, and with each passing moment, they felt their connection deepening in ways they couldn't explain. Have you ever experienced a similar magnetic pull towards someone, where the chemistry between you was undeniable? It's as if there's a magnetic force field surrounding you both, pulling you closer together with each passing moment. And no matter how hard you try to resist it, you find yourself irresistibly drawn towards each other, unable to escape the gravitational pull of your connection. This magnetic pull is a sign from the universe, guiding you towards your soulmate and illuminating the path to love and fulfillment. It's a reminder that true connections are not bound by time or space, but are forged in the fires of destiny, drawing two souls together in a dance of cosmic significance. So the next time you feel that magnetic pull towards someone, embrace it with an open heart and an open mind. for it may just be the universe's way of guiding you towards the love and connection you've been searching for all along. Have you ever experienced a moment when you crossed paths with someone in the most unexpected of places, only to realize later that it was no mere coincidence? These synchronistic events are like breadcrumbs leading us towards our soulmates, guiding us along the path of our highest destiny. Consider the story of Maya, a young woman who had all but given up on finding love. One day, while browsing through a bookstore, she stumbled upon a book on numerology for beginners, feeling drawn to it as if by some unseen force. As she flipped through its pages, she couldn't shake the feeling that there was something significant about this moment. Just as Maya was about to leave the bookstore, she bumped into a stranger in the aisle, spilling her coffee in the process. As they both apologized and laughed off the mishap, Maya felt a strange sense of familiarity wash over her. It was as if she had known this person her entire life, despite having just met them. As they struck up a conversation, Maya and the stranger discovered a shared interest in spirituality, numerology, and the law of attraction. They talked for hours, losing track of time as they exchanged stories and insights. It was as if the universe had conspired to bring them together, orchestrating this serendipitous encounter in the most unlikely of places. Have you ever experienced a similar synchronistic event, where the universe seemed to be guiding you towards someone or something significant? It's as if the universe is sending you a message, nudging you in the direction of your highest good and deepest fulfillment. And when you learn to recognize and embrace these synchronicities, you open yourself up to a world of infinite possibility and abundance. So the next time you find yourself in the midst of a synchronistic event, pay attention to the signs and symbols that the universe is sending you. For they may just be guiding you towards the love, connection, and abundance that you've been searching for all along. The phenomenon of shared dreams and visions between soulmates is a fascinating aspect of the deep spiritual connection that binds them together. In these instances, dreams transcend the realm of mere subconscious processing and become a conduit for communication and guidance from the universe. When soulmates share dreams or have similar visions, it signifies a profound alignment of their energies and intentions. It suggests that their souls are connected on a level that goes beyond the physical, allowing them to communicate and interact in the realm of dreams. These shared dreams and visions often carry symbolic messages and insights that provide guidance and clarity on the soulmate's journey together. They may offer glimpses into future possibilities, shed light on unresolved issues, or simply serve as a reminder of the deep bond that exists between them. Moreover, dreams can serve as a powerful tool for receiving guidance from the universe at large. When we open ourselves up to the messages that come through our dreams, we invite the wisdom of the universe to flow through us, guiding us towards our highest good and deepest fulfillment. In this way, dreams become a sacred space where we can connect with the divine and receive guidance, healing, and inspiration. They serve as a reminder that we are not alone on our journey, but are supported and guided by the infinite wisdom and love of the universe. So the next time you have a dream that feels significant or meaningful, pay attention to the messages and symbols it contains. For it may just be the universe speaking to you, offering guidance and insight on your path to love, connection, and spiritual growth. The concept of telepathic communication between soulmates is a fascinating phenomenon that transcends the limitations of verbal language. It suggests a deep spiritual connection between two individuals that allows them to communicate and connect on a level that goes beyond words. Telepathic communication occurs when soulmates are able to intuitively understand each other's thoughts, feelings, and intentions without the need for spoken words. It is as if they are speaking to each other through the language of the soul, where emotions and energies are the primary means of communication. This form of communication is often characterized by a sense of knowingness and understanding that surpasses logic and reasoning. Soulmates may experience moments of telepathy during times of emotional intensity or spiritual connection, when their energies are in perfect alignment. Telepathic communication between soulmates can manifest in various ways, including intuitive knowing, shared experiences, or synchronicities. It is a reminder that love transcends the limitations of verbal language and physical distance. allowing soulmates to connect and communicate on a level that is truly magical and divine. I invite you to continue seeking and recognizing the magic of love in your lives. Whether you've experienced some of these signs or are just beginning to open yourself up to the possibility of soulmate connection, know that the universe is always guiding you towards your highest good. And as you continue on your journey, I encourage you to stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the signs that you are being manifested into someone else's life. Because just as you are seeking your soulmate, someone out there is also seeking you. Thank you once again for your presence, your openness, and your willingness to explore the mysteries of love and connection with us. Until next time, may you be blessed with love, light, and infinite abundance. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.